This AutoCAD plugin allows to easily orient the view to the specified object. It can be nested object like this axis of the architecture reference, MEP duct or pipe or a wall object, a polyline segment, or the user can also just specify 2 points to orient the view. Additionally, the plugin offers 3 commands to rotate the view: plus 90 degrees, minus 90 degrees, or 180 degrees. After rotating the view, the plugin automatically sets the coordinate system perpendicularly to the view and zooms to the specified object or to specified points.